In 2024, the Indian steel industry witnessed a series of unfortunate incidents that shook the sector to its core. Across the country, steel companies reported numerous accidents, resulting in significant injuries and loss of lives. 66 workers sustained injuries, and 26 tragically lost their lives. The primary cause? Dangerous spills of molten iron or ash. These rising factory accidents have placed Indian steel companies under intense scrutiny. Workplace safety is now under serious question, with repeated incidents highlighting the urgent need for action. Steel factories must focus on identifying root causes and implementing robust prevention strategies to protect their workers. Let's take a closer look at some of the major incidents reported in 2024. 6 April 2024, Bokaro Steel Plant, a devastating gas pipeline blast injured 23 workers, but, fortunately, no lives were lost. 5 September 2024, Bokaro Steel Plant, an oil drum explosion caused injuries to 4 workers, marking the second major incident at this facility in 2024. 10 October 2024, Bhilai Steel Plant, 1 worker tragically lost their life in an accident, underscoring the pressing need for workplace safety improvements. 13 November 2024, Bhilai Steel Plant, a gas leak left 3 workers injured, raising further concerns about safety protocols at this plant. 28 October 2024, Rourkela Steel Plant, an accident on the railway track claimed the life of 1 worker, highlighting risks even beyond the factory floor. 31st December 2024, AMNS India, a tragic equipment failure resulted in the deaths of 4 workers and left 1 injured in one of the year's most serious incidents. 13th April 2024, AMNS India, a steel column collapse caused 2 fatalities, adding to the plant's grim safety record. 6th April 2024, Tata Steel Jamshedpur, a hot slag accident claimed the life of 1 worker, emphasizing the dangers of handling molten material. 7th July 2024, Tata Steel Jamshedpur, another accident at this site resulted in the death of 1 worker, making it the second fatality at this plant in 2024. 8th October 2024, Tata Steel Kalingnagar, an accident led to the loss of 1 worker's life, bringing focus to safety standards across Tata Steel's operations. 24th June 2024, Rangta Steel, Odisha, a workplace accident caused injuries to 7 workers and claimed 2 lives, making it one of the year's deadliest incidents. 11th May 2024, JSW Steel, Ballari, a tunnel flooding tragedy resulted in the deaths of 3 workers, drawing attention to emergency preparedness. 3rd August 2024, JSW Steel, Raigad, a conveyor belt accident claimed the life of 1 worker, reflecting the risks associated with industrial machinery. 7th November 2024, Evanet Steel, a slag cooling accident injured 18 workers, marking one of the highest injury counts for a single incident in 2024. 1st December 2024, Jindal Steel and Power, a fly ash accident led to the death of 1 worker and injured 2 more. 1st January 2025, MS Agrawal Foundries, a furnace blast left 5 workers injured and claimed the life of 1, opening the new year with a grim note. 12th November 2024, MS Agrawal Foundries, a safety accident resulted in the loss of 1 life, stressing the importance of preventive measures. 14th January 2024, Chemo Steel Industries Private Limited, a molten metal spill caused 3 deaths and left 1 worker injured in one of the year's most hazardous incidents. 28 December 2024, Hindustan Coils Limited, a molten slag accident claimed the lives of 2 workers, underscoring the need for stricter safety measures. 26 March 2024, JD Ispat Ltd, a molten iron spill resulted in 1 fatality, drawing attention to the dangers of molten material handling. 25th September 2024, Vijay Steel, a fire accident injured 1 worker, showing the persistent risk of workplace fires. 18th May 2024, Vijay Steel. Another incident at Vijay Steel occurred when a worker fell into the steam water of a coke oven, suffering fatal injuries. The pattern is clear. It's time for Indian steel companies to adopt stricter safety measures, enhance monitoring systems, and ensure compliance with safety protocols.